Now come into tabletop position. Let's do pelvic tilt. We'll start with regular cat and cow. Inhale, head up, tailbone up, arch your back. Exhale, head down, tailbone down, hunch your back. Inhale and arch. Exhale and hunch. Inhale and arch. And exhale and hunch. Hold there. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. And now come into neutral position of your spine. Now in this neutral position, what you have to ensure is you keep your upper back, which is your thoracic spine, as it is. Don't move that. Just work on your lower back and your pelvis. Let's do it. Inhale and arch. And exhale and hunch. Just the lower back. Inhale and arch. Exhale and hunch. Notice the movement in your pelvis. Inhale and arch. Exhale and hunch. Inhale and arch. Exhale and hunch. Inhale and arch. Exhale and hunch. Keep moving your pelvis. Inhale and arch. Exhale and hunch. Inhale. Feel it in your lower back. Exhale. Tighten your core. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to the neutral position of the spine. Relax.